pee all over me, bro.
All right, what are you doing?
Oh shit. I haven't been in a camera. I haven't been in front of a camera for a while.
I know, it's always the most like awkward.
So
feeling ever.
what I'm doing is I'm gonna swipe down as far as I please, and I'm gonna
On
randomly.
Snapchat.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna randomly click on someone, and whoever it goes on, I'm gonna do this to the thing. I'm gonna be like, what should I do? That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, but it has to sound natural. It has to just be like, oh, like, it has to be like an actual sexual, like, oh, like whimpering. Like you have to sound like super weak doing it.
You might not. Yeah, like I'm already subdued.
Yeah, like, oh, ow. Or, dude,
Why is this so fucking...
or you can say, I love mommy's milky.
All right. You might not. We might not even really know this person. It might be someone. It might be an ex of mine.
It could be.
Might be.
Could be one of your.
It might be
side pieces. One of your.
Right.
Your
it could be. It could be one of random people that I know that maybe some business partner or something.
Oh my god.
All right.
Some dude who like owns a huge property. You're just like.
I don't know why I'm so nervous about this.
It's because of the camera.
No, I'm genuinely nervous. All right, fuck it. All right. I'm not listening.
Alright, you're like
Anthony LeBrecq.
Okay.
All right, this kid, I went to high school with him. He's in the Marines. He's a high-ranking Marine. He is actually.
Damn.
He was in the JROTC like throughout whole high school and like shit. So he was an officer before he even went in.
Damn.
Crazy.
That sounds like somebody who's like high ranking in the military. LeBrecq.
He's gonna appreciate this.
Yeah.
Oh, mommy milky, I like. I took a screenshot by accident. Fuck! Damn it!
Holy fuck.
Oh, I saw it.
Wait, you can say, oh, I'm sorry, wrong. sorry, wrong person. What'd you say?
I'm sorry, wrong person.
Oh, mommy milky, I like.
Alright, next person.
Yeah.
We gotta do another person.
Okay.
What do you
Holy
mean?
fuck, that's so funny. You gotta go back to the top and then scroll back down.
Yeah, I am at the top, bro.
Oh my god.
Alright.
I'm fucking dying.
Alright.
Alright, go.
Next one, boys. I'm not looking, alright? I'm not looking. April Sim.
Oh my god, no.
This is a girl we went to high school with.
Yeah.
She was actually our class president.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
Yeah,
that.
she was our class president in high school.
Very smart girl.
She's
Very hardworking.
smart, very beautiful. Very hardworking.
Yeah.
And
Yo, can you stop sipping for her and just moaning?
No, listen, I'm not fucking simping. All right, I'm just saying. I'm not simping. Oh god. Oh god. Oh.
No fucking way.
I'm sorry, wrong person.
Oh god, oh god. Oh.
I'm fucking crying, dude. Holy shit. Oh my fucking god.
April Sim, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, wrong person.
Oh god, oh god. Oh.
Shit. Fucking shit.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Should we do another person?
Yeah, you want me to do one?
You want to do one on
Yeah,
my phone?
I'll do it on my phone.
All right, you do one on your phone.
Alright.
I'll record it.
Alright, where's my phone? The fuck? Am I having a day?
Dude, I'm waiting for them to respond.
Yeah.
That's gonna be great. That's gonna be.
Dude, that's like the perfect person too, because she's not gonna contact me anything.
I know. I don't talk to her really.
Yeah.
April Sim, if you block me, I completely understand.
Yeah, no.
There's no hard feeling.
Bro, how are we just getting like stolen from by spirits or something?
Yeah.
Okay, if I
The rule is you have to.
Alright, ready?
You can't.
Nick Krupchak, okay.
Nick Krupchak.
Nick Krupchak. That's not bad. Alright, ready?
Last time you snapped?
Yeah, 3 years ago.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry, wrong person.
Can we put an exclamation point too so it seems like super urgent? Oh, sorry, wrong person.
Oh, yeah?
This is great. This is so great. This is one of the best things I've done in a while.
Oh, yeah?
Bro. All right, one more.
One more. I do 2, you do 2.
Yeah.
All right.
I went to the bottom. Okay, I could restart. I don't even know who that is. Brad?
Oh, Brad Anderson?
Yeah, we're doing Brad. We're doing Brad.
Who's Brad?
Brad's he's a very strong, masculine kind of guy. If you saw him in public, you would automatically know that he plays like football. Or
He went
rugby or
to high school with us. He's a football player. He's jacked. He's huge.
something. Yeah, very, very, very good kid.
He's a very good
nice
kid.
guy.
Yeah, he's a very good kid.
Yeah, very chill. All right, ready?
Geez, mommy's milky. Oh.
Oh, sorry, wrong person.
Oh, sorry. How is that? What kind of context does that fall in when you say wrong person?
That's why it's
Where
so
the
great.
fuck were you sending it to, huh?
You don't know if it's sexual.
Who's the
funny.
right person, Cam, huh?
Wait. Hold on.
Geez, mommy's milky. Oh.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, that's so good.
All right, I could do one more for me.
That's a good idea. It's a fantastic idea.
Look what I learned. Look what I learned recently how to do with my eyebrows. Look at this. If you can do this, you're a true fucking guy.
Yo,
Watch,
Max.
ready?
That's pretty sick.
All right, dude, let's go.
Factory reset real quick. Any responses yet?
Let's fucking go, boys! Let's fucking go!
Proceeds to just
Go, Bruno Perez! Oh God, I'm about to. Ah!
Can you imagine getting that from like?
Sorry,
a
wrong
random
person. Gilberto Perez is our dearest high school friend. He
He wants to become a police officer.
I'm not sure what Gilberto Perez is doing right now. I don't know where he went to school, but I know that he was very into
police.
right, becoming doing law enforcement. So if you
Yeah.
are in law enforcement right now, Gilberto, please don't come to me. Don't fuck my wife, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Gilberto, please
I
don't
just,
fuck his wife.
please, I just don't want you to fuck my wife.
Just
please.
stay away from him. What's his?
Oh shit,
all the
Gilberto
ladies.
is texting me.
No way. Yo, speedy responder. Have we got any other people?
No, nothing.
What is
You're good, bro. Nah, he gets it. Gilberto gets it.
Yo, shout out to Gilberto.
Oh, dude, if it landed on an X, dude, that'd be crazy.
Yeah.
Oh God, mommy, no, please, oh God.
Oh God, mommy, no, please, oh God.
Okay.
Jesus fucking Christ.
That was the worst one.
Oh, mommy milky, I like.
That's my
Thank you for
favorite.
your service, man.
That's my favorite one. That's my
I took a
absolute
screenshot of it too.
favorite. That makes it so much worse. That makes it so much more realistic.
Like, why?
Like, you actually didn't mean to send it to him?
What do I say? Oh, me like it. Oh wait, slide to cancel.
Oh my god. Did you send it? Did you send it? You
Yeah,
fucking, you
I
fucking
sent all
moron.
that.
Oh,
This is what I sent back to him.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now what we're doing is whenever we see a girl on his Snapchat story, we're gonna reply to her going, damn, you looking just like a... Basically that. So basically, in short, it's like this. We're gonna be like, damn, girl, you looking just like a...
I mean, what's the point if you don't even know who it is? It's not even funny.
Yeah, it's
right?
better if it's like a girl that we know.
Cambria
Dude, that's perfect. That's so fucking
I have
perfect.
never said a single fucking word to this girl.
All right, maybe
but
it's not perfect.
I've known her for, like, we've all known of her. She went to high school.
Yeah,
with
she's
us.
sweet. She's nice.
She's great. Well, I don't know, but I think she is. Cause she just, I think I've said a few words to her, but
Yeah.
what's funny is that it's so random. Like, the fact that I haven't talked to her and then that just pops
You
out
could
of
be like,
nowhere.
oh, sorry, wrong person afterwards. Damn, girl, you looking like a...
Okay.
Let me just make sure the volume's all the way up. All right, we're good. Wait, hold on. I gotta organize this. All right, ready?
Sheesh, girl, you looking like a...
Oh my god.
We gotta play it now. We gotta...
Sheesh, girl, you looking like a...
It's just so perfect. It's so perfect. It comes in so perfectly. There's nothing better than this. And then just don't say anything. Just don't say
Yeah.
anything. Just leave it at that.
All right, you want to do Nelly?
Yes.
250.
I want to pee so bad, bro.
Fuck you, Matt. Fuck you, Matt.
This is so fucking dumb.
This girl, I know her too, and she usually posts selfies, but today she decided to post her dogs.
This is all part of the process right here. I have to pee so bad. I'm like crossing my legs right now. It's so painful.
So you gotta go pee.
I'll hold it in for now. I'll pee like off the side of the road or some shit.
Yeah.
Figure it out.
Yeah.
I'll go to that gas station.
We
actually.
know the spots.
Yeah, we know the spots.
And you gotta. Oh
No way. Who is
man! Oh
Who is this?
god! This is
Yo, that would be perfect.
this is perfect.
That would be perfect. Damn, girl, you looking like a... I can't hit the button. All right, do it quick so I can go piss.
All right. Damn, girl, you're looking like a.
All right, let's hear that one.
Damn, girl, you're looking like a...
It just comes in so perfectly.
Oh my god, that's so funny. I farted and pissed my pants a little bit.